I'll be showing you how to enable HDMI CEC and Anynet on your Samsung Smart TV. Now, this is basically a feature that allows you to use your TV's remote to operate or to control external connected devices like maybe a soundbar or a TV box or Roku, something like that. So you can actually use your remote to control those, and you can even use those devices to turn your TV on and off. So to enable that, just go to settings on your Samsung Smart TV. I'll just go to all settings, and then here on the all settings window, go to connection, select that, and then go to external device manager, select that, and then you should see Anynet plus HDMI CEC. And you can clearly see it says on the right hand side there, use a TV remote to control external devices and listen to TV sound through a soundbar. There's plenty more this can do. It can also help you, for instance, if you have a PS5 connected, once you turn on the PlayStation, it automatically turns on the TV if you have the HDMI cable connected. So that's what Anynet plus HDMI CEC, and that's basically how to enable. To disable, just turn it off, and you can see that dot becomes black, and to enable, just turn it on like that. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.